Fencing's here. Look at this. I'll mind that and all, I think, yeah. Keep me busy, won't it? Good morning, YouTube. Is that another week? Monday, sun shining already, that's what we like. So the lads are on with a little palisade job today, next door to where we were working last week. Airedale's doing Riley's transport next door. Which one is it? It's that one. This pile here, that's another job, that one there. Carl's actually in the toilet, I believe. He's got these back front galleries at his house. I've got to see a job at a school, Beckfoot at Eton. We've done some work there already. We did the entrance and that, you might remember, a few weeks ago, or months ago now. But yeah, I've been busy this weekend. My wife's birthday yesterday, happy birthday, love. Just took a steady out for some Sunday lunch. But we've been to his new house a couple of times this weekend. It's looking good. Painters are nearly done for now, phase one. And then until we get the builders in, remodelling downstairs, new kitchen and whatnot, taking walls down, and there's no point decorating downstairs as yet. So yeah, I shall leave it at that for now and get some footage very shortly. Cutting these out, I think we've nearly got them all done now. Just a few more to do. You're getting there.
Slow and steady wins the race.
Yeah, that's it. A couple of gates to make a knockout straight after this. So yeah, if Jacob ever gets off at toilet and gets some work done. But I better go anyway because I'm running late. I've got to be at school in about 10 minutes. So yeah, we're just going to replace this, take this 1.2 roll mesh out and replace it with 2.4 358 mesh here. Oof, loving this weather. Just got back after my survey. I've just nipped out new house. Wow, that's looking fantastic. All new windows. Brilliant. Looks like a new house. Well impressed with that. Didn't know that we finished today. We're decorating the can do for now. I'm just thinking I'm going to have to clear the space here tomorrow because I've got loads of fencing coming. So make sure I can get down here. I might have to move them. We'll get lads sorted off in the morning. They're going to be using the 2 metre V-mesh, which is that stack there. It's about 150 metres. I will eventually get on with concreting out here, but it's getting time at the minute. It just seems to have gone really busy again, but not complaining. Lads have finished the palisade job they've had on today in Morley. They've got it signed off, I can see on our job system, and sent a couple of videos. Looks good, well done boys. So yes, we'll wait for them to come back and I'll see you later. Another day in paradise here at Airedale. Tuesday morning, just get out of sun there. Starting a decent job down in Bingley actually. Somebody I know's farm that they've bought there. The lads got the palisade done yesterday, so we'll have to unload all this. And then we want those 2 metre panels that are over there. Big delivery of fencing coming and all today, so there's a lot happening. Loaded up there, look. Picked up galvers. Let's see, he's banding them up there. So he's going to get that done and he's going down home and get his, just realised, toilet man's here as well. Servicing toilet. Toilet man's here for your office, Jacob.
I know, I still need to get a sign from him.
He's worked right hard on that all week and now he's taking it all away.
Ella. Is that only Jacob that fills it up? Sound. Oh, see all that splash out. Yeah, I'm going to have a shifty about in yard once these have all gone. Fencing's here, look at this. I'll mind that and all, I think, yeah. It's definitely all mine. Keep me busy, won't it? So yeah, I'm just over at Beeston at a little school here. Seem to have attracted a little friend. Look, that cat keeps following me about everywhere. Don't know if it lives here or what, but I'm just looking at this job for the little primary school here. So I'm going to have to put this, is like 6 metres on this wall, get it all cut back. The wall's 200 and it's 1.1 down there, so it'll have to have a metre panel above there. And then they want all these bushes cutting down. The total measure is 52 metres. And we're going to have 1.8, but it's going to step down here, so I'll do it in twin mesh, I think. I think the boundary's just behind there, but all these that are cut back. And I'll get my man on it. I know they were cranked on that wall there, but they've got a little wall here, but I think we'll just dig it on the other side of there rather than getting them cranked. Should do us there, and then it's on an awful slope here. If I middle it out, they've only got cars that go in here, so 3.5 metre double lease there, and I'll have to make them to rake of that. And then again on the inside of there, so I'll cut these back to get in, and then we're finished to there. Yeah, not a bad little job really. I'm just going out for my surprise here because Carl's going to went yard. Look, I'm going to close my eyes. Ooh, I'm here. Is this our yard? Is that a new yard? Where is it all?
Rejigged.
That's better, isn't it? Got young lads doing a bit of burning here, look. Nice top 6 smoke there, brilliant. Oh, that's better, even with them there, isn't it?
I thought, well, they use that every day, don't they?
Yeah.
That's them next 2 jobs on top.
Better with gates out way and all, isn't it?
We can get.
To be fair, when we concrete, we'll use all that, won't we?
We can do, yeah. That's all my offcuts from it.
Yeah, we'll use half of that, I bet. So is this what we got delivered yesterday mostly then, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right, so have we got all the sizes in order?
No.
No.
They're just in stacks that you can get to.
Do you think we should move that?
What? Yeah. Well, I'm going to move it Friday though, so they're not tripping over it. So then when they come in Monday, they can crack on.
No, I meant permanently.
Alright, well, I think when we move yard, when we do concrete, we'll have a proper jig round.
You know, would it be better sort of that way down there sort of thing?
Or put it maybe where trailer is.
Oh no, I think I'd prefer it that way
They're a
down.
bit of a to move now with.
Yeah.
Just go on board.
Well, yeah. Although we've got 2 young'uns.
Yeah.
When you've got 2 young'uns, you can achieve anything. Look, they love it. Look.
Real workers.
Where's your high vises? There's only me legally here, look.
Shows your feet.
Oh, apart from them. I have been in the office most of the day, thank you. So yeah, just down at farm down at Bingley. Not bad, is it? Look how close we are. That's it, yeah, lads are just going down the hill now. They've got to put a few halves in. They're just going down there and finishing it across there, and then they've done all this. The line, we'd love to put it in a really straight line, but he literally wants it as tight up to the wall as we can get it, so it's not as straight a line as we'd normally like it, but that's just how he wants it. Max is over there in his wagon, looks Kurt, stone man. He wanted it just lifting slightly like that. Looking good. I think this stretch here was about, I think it was something like 140, 150 all the way down. And then he's got some over there to do. I think there's about 40 metres over there. What's happening up here, I wonder? Don't know what they're doing here. Oh, he's dug it out, hasn't they? They got Lance dig it out. I think he's dug it out for them here. They'd have been moaning and groaning. Well, yeah, it's looking good. Nice plot here, he's going to pull that down. And then I think this is going to be a speed dog field, but he's going to pull that down and build it alone, I believe. I'll get off for now and get back to you later. Yeah, well, I'm glad I called it down here at farm. I've just had a walk around with Kurt and he's that impressed with it now. He wants front stretch doing, so just been round with him, had a measure up. It's another 36 metres sound, so lads will come back next week. They're off Monday actually, the best fit day off Monday. Baggy's doing something, so Jamie said he might as well day off, so they'll be back Tuesday, which is good because it gives Kurt a day, because he's got to pull a little fence down and a tree and that down there, didn't we? So, and wants a bit of giving price for his sliding gate that he's having done, so might be a bit more for us here, and then eventually I'll get all back done as well. So Carl's still deliveries here, and he's gone out to get some. I shall unload this in a minute and get back to you. This is started fork jump. Nice and short and sweet, that's what we like. The Barretts, really good drivers. Keep Carl going and Jake up for a little bit. Got in position there and just slide it straight on that saw, straight off at forks. He's just putting some bearers down just in case I need forks for out. And Jacob should know now what sizes, I think. Carl's probably left him a list. Chamber Fabrications. And Carl will get on with that. He's got a single and a double to make, I believe. I can't remember now. Trusty old fork chuck, it's a beauty, that. One of the best investments I ever made, that, to be honest. Helps having Carl now as well, because he's a forklift engineer as well, so hope goes wrong. So yeah, we'll leave young Jacob there. Whew, good afternoon. Can't believe how hot it is. I'm just glad to get down my drive a bit here in shade. Oh, crikey, melting. Yeah, well, lads have got done what they could on that site. Me and Carl just think doing a couple of little bits. Lads come back and said, you fancy a quick pint? So yeah, thought I sod it, I'll have a quick shandy with you. So yeah, we've just been to a local pub, sat outside there, absolutely melting. But you know what it's like, you have one, you think, ooh, I'll get rid of Carl, stay out, but no. Thought, yeah, I've had a shandy, I better get off. But yeah, I could have easily stayed there, but you know, it is what it is. So yeah, I thought I'd just jump on and you know, sort of sign this video out. If you like what we do, give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and hopefully we'll see you next week. Thank you.